This is it, the prototype duplication room.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had some trouble with the guards.
No problem. You're just in time. Okay, let's see if this thing works. She is trying to tell us something.
Bye now. Enjoy the hygienator. Remember, you bought it from Steve. Steve McCork. Now that I've sold my 1 millionth hygienator, I can finance the comeback of the greatest superhero who ever lived. Captain Quark! All I need now is a new galaxy with a new fan base, so I can rescue them from a new disaster!
But I do not understand.
Mr. Fizzwidget?
This is bad.
All right, just what the
Allow me to explain. I'm about to save the galaxy from the protopets, and you are about to become public enemy number 1. And 2 and 3. Guards, she said! Smile, it's showtime! Citizens of Bogar, I am Captain Quark. I come to you in this, your darkest of hours, to shine the flashlight of justice on your galaxy.
Flashlight of justice?
As you know, a living menace called the Protopet has been set loose in your galaxy. But fear not, Bogonites. I, Captain Quark, have caught the perpetrators. Yes, good citizens, these are the masterminds behind Megacorp's experiment with death. And now, with this, super electro gadget I invented, I will end the protopet threat once and for all.
That's my elixir. I invented it.
Stay tuned, dear viewers, as I amplify the signal from this helixo thingy and render every protopet in the galaxy completely harmless. Allow me to demonstrate.
Does that elixir actually work?
It used to. I could probably fix it.
Come on, Clank. Let's get it back.
Alright guys, this is the last boss. And that's all. Alright guys, here we go. Oh. Ooh. Ha. There we go, guys. I beat the game.
You did it! What? Ah, it's okay. This is the real Mr. Fizzwidget. Quark had him tied up in a supply closet all this time.
Gentlemen, you have my most profound gratitude.
It was nothing, sir. I'm just sorry we couldn't get the Helixomorph back. Right. What do you suppose is wrong with it?
I don't know. It could take months of research and...
The battery isn't backwards.
Oops. Imbecilic to the very last. Down, boy.
I just have to amplify the device with Megacorp's TV transponders, and that should cure the other protopets.
Clank? Uh-oh. It's okay. I can fix her. I promise.